Susanna's tattoo. Today we're going to do Skittles with rainbow. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need 1 or 2. If you can use 2, if you use 1 is not enough, you just use 2. And some warm water and a plate and some paper towel. Now we first open the Skittles and put them on the paper towel and put it around the plate. Now we put the hot water. Everybody, you should try it. It looks very pretty. the color is melting. So the rainbow looks like a very, very, very pretty one. You should try it. If you can't, you can try again. Thank you for watching Suzanna's How-To. I hope you have fun. If you like it, please subscribe to my video. If you like science, please come to Susanna Science.